Alright, here is a very quick demonstration of our T2S client. So I am on the desktop and I'm going to hit connect and I'm going to connect to my laptop. As you can see on my laptop, I've already connected to a server. It's just my localhost and my laptop is the server. So I'm going to just quickly type that in. This is my laptop's IPv4. There we go. As you can see, I've connected immediately and our profile pictures have showed up. If you look on my laptop, you'll see that my profile on my desktop showed up. Obviously, I don't want to be called LishC. What even is that? And what is this blank profile picture? Right now, this is the default profile picture and the default name. The default name is going to just be whatever your username is on your computer. So let me change that real quick because I don't want to be this. xxweeb1987 will be my new name. I'll save it. You'll see it updates on my client and you'll see it also updated on the server. Now I will have a message sent to my laptop. Hello.
Hello.
And now I'll have my laptop send a message to my desktop. One hand typing is really hard.
Net neutrality sucks.
Net neutrality sucks, says Ajit Pai, of course. Now that we've simulated updating names and stuff live, let's quickly do a disconnect. So what happens if I disconnect? If I disconnect from my client, you see it asks if I want to actually disconnect. Yes, I am, and everything disappears because I've disconnected. The label updates that I've disconnected. And on my server, you'll see that I have disappeared, but I'm still here as Ajit Pai. I can send a message. It won't go to anyone because I'm not connected. So hi just happens to himself. He won't hear it because he sent the message. He doesn't want to hear a message he sent himself. Alright, now I'm going to reconnect to that server because I want to display one more thing. 2.11. I can type. That's not an IP. There we go. So just connected back. And I just got to get myself. There's Ajit. There I am. And now what happens if the server forcefully turns off? So if I'm on the server and I utilize Visual Studio's cool thing with the shutdown button, this simulates either A, server just disappeared, or B, the client lost connection to the server because internet problems. The typical idea behind it is the server just suddenly disappeared, whether it is because the server forcefully disconnected or the client lost connection to the server for some other means. In a sense, it is simply when there is no connection and the server did not message the client that, hey, we're shutting down. So let's see what happens. So I hit shutdown, so now everything is completely gone. You can see I can start it up again. So that shows that I have indeed forcefully shut down the server and also the client for my laptop. And on the desktop, you'll see that I've also been forcefully disconnected, whether I wanted to or not. And you see the exception down here that was handled for that. So what happens if I try to connect to a non-IP, so that invalid IP message gets towed. And what happens if I want to just connect to something that's localhost, because, well, my laptop is localhost, but it doesn't exist right now, so I'm going to connect. And we'll just see if anything happens. You can see some exceptions being thrown, and error could not connect to server. Unfortunate. So real quick, I'm going to actually just start up the server back on my client. Oops. There we go. Alright, so Ajit is there. And now I'm going to go back on here, connect. And we're connected. And there's Ajit, and there I am. Okay, so cool. Final thing I wanted to show is hotkeys being a thing. So you can see U, M, and N are my hotkeys. M is mute, U is display, N is disable. So if I hit the N key and then I hit the U key, you'll see up here that I have no text box showing up anywhere, not on any screen. Yep, so you can see no text box. But now if I hit end and then I go back and hit U, you'll see my text box is right here, and I can say hi, and there it goes, shows up on my laptop. Now on my laptop I'm going to show mute, so I'm just going to type in a really long message that's just gibberish, and now you'll see I'm going to hit my mute key, so now I should be muted, and now I'm going to send the message from my laptop. And you can see that there is no text to speech. But if I hit M again to unmute, then it would be unmuted. So now let's try send the message, or just another message back. So another extremely long thing of gibberish.
JKL JLK 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 JLK
And as you can see,
JLK
it is in fact
JLK
annoying.
JLK JKLJ.
Right, and I think that is all the hotkeys. Did I show? Yeah, I showed all of it. All right, cool. So maybe just show I can change hotkeys. So I'll change U to B. Cool. Yeah, it'll be B. And then now you'll see that I'm gonna hit B instead of U, and then it pops up. I can say anything I want,
KJLJ,
and it'll do stuff. And my O key U does not show a text box on any of my screens. There you go. Yep, that would be it. Thank you for watching.